Okay, this video on how to write numbers in scientific notation. So basically what happens is you want this number to be between 1 and 10, and 700 is not between 1 and 10. So every number has a decimal at the end, and the only way I can make it between 1 and 10 is if I move the decimal. If I move it to the right, the number will get larger and larger. If I move it to the left, the number gets smaller and smaller. Now I want 700 to become smaller. I'm going to move it once. And now I went from 700 to 70. Well, it's still not between 1 and 10, so I need to make it smaller. Move it to the left another place. So now that number is between 1 and 10. So the answer will be 7.00 times 10 to the. Now tell a person how to make this number, the number 7.00, become the original number. So if I want this number to become the number, I need to move it to the right two places. And that is the answer. Remember, as you move it to the right, that'll be positive, and the number will get larger and larger and larger. If you move the decimal to the left, that will be negative, and the number keeps getting smaller and smaller and smaller. Okay, now I need this in scientific notation. That is a very, very small number. So I need it to become larger. So I'm going to move the decimal one place. It's still too small. Move it another place. Still too small. Move it another place. And now you have a number between 1 and 10. So the answer will be 3.1 times 10 to the what power? Now, I need this to become smaller, so it has to go to the left. And I'm gonna move this one to the left. How many places? 1, 2, 3. And that'll be the answer. 3.1 times 10 to the negative 3. Okay, now, next problem. Simplify. Write each answer in scientific notation. Now, what you're gonna do is do the following. I'm gonna copy this number right over here. So I'm gonna copy the 9 multiplied by 10 to the 4th. And I'm gonna multiply the way we normally multiply. And 9 times 1 will give you 9. 9 times 5 will give you 45. Move the decimal one place to the right. And the answer, do the same number of places but in the opposite direction to the left. Now the decimal is at the end. Move it one place to the left to be right here. And then times 10 to the 6 plus 4 will give you 10. What I'm using right here, I'm using the live exponents. If we have x to the m multiplied by x to the nth power, the answer will have the same base and the exponents are added together. Same rule right here. Okay, now what's wrong with this right here? That number is not between 1 and 10, is larger than 10. So I'm with the decimal one place to the left, so the answer will be 4.59 and times, okay, now to make this number become the number, I'm going to move one place to the right, so that is times 10 to the 1. Now, very, very important, all this right here, all it is that number. Now what I'm missing is times 10 to the 10th. So right here, I need to do times 10 to the 10. I'm just want to copy it. Okay, now the answer will be 4.59 times 10 to the what? This is the same as this over here. Add the exponents. 1 plus 2 will be 11. And there you have it. That's my answer in scientific notation. Next example, same idea. Copy this over here. So that'll be 7.4 times 10 to the negative 1. If you want to cross this out so it doesn't confuse you anymore, and that should be multiplying. 4 times 4 is 16, 16 carry your 1. 4 times 7 is 28, and 1 is 29. Now add a 0 right here and multiply everything by 7. 7 times 4 will be 28, 8 and carry your 2. 7 times 7 is 49, and 2 is 51. Add those numbers. You have 6, 9, 3, and 5 times 10 to the, add the exponents. 3 plus 5 minus 1 will give you 4. Now worry about decimal. On the problem, move the decimal as far to the right as you can. 1, 2 places. Right here, go same number of places in the opposite direction. Now we have the same problem as before. The number is now between 1 and 10. Is larger than 10, so I need to make it smaller. So I'm going to have 5.39. Now, if I want this number to become the original number, I'm going to move it to the right one place. And this is that number. Now copy is down here. So your final answer is 5.396 times 10 to the 1 plus 4 is 5. And that'll be your answer. Okay? Thank you.